These days, the markets are full of fresh carrots. Why don't you use them to make very delicious desserts? Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to make delicious carrot pudding. Let's get started. I am taking 2 liters of milk. First we put the milk to boil, and then, while that is happening, I will grate 1 kilogram of carrots. From those 2 liters of milk, I will take out 1 cup of milk, and in this I am going to add 3/4 of a cup of rice flour, and I shall mix it well. When the boil comes to the milk, I will gradually add the rice flour mixture to the milk. At this point, I will stir continuously, to ensure that no lumps form. After a few minutes, I will add the grated carrots. Then, we will stir it again and then leave it to cook on its own. Stirring occasionally, we will reduce the flame to low. Now when the carrots are quite tender, I am going to add a cup of sugar. I will also add half a cup of ghee. Stir to mix well, and I will let it cook on slow flame. When it looks thick, I will blend it with a ladle or a blender. Finally, I will grind a few green cardamom and add them into the mixture. I will also add a few drops of kheer essence. Now cover and cook it for another 5 minutes. Gajrela is now ready. Dish it out and leave it in the fridge for 2 hours or more in order to serve it cold. Sprinkle it with blanched almonds and desiccated coconut. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Thanks for watching.